Right, so welcome once again to TECtips right here with Paul again. So today we are going to fix the blurry quality of pixelated videos when recording with OBS. Okay, right, so I realized that most videos out there are not able to give an effective fix to this one once and for all. So at the end of this video you should be able to record high crystal quality videos. Okay, so stay tuned, I'll be right back after this break. Okay, right. Welcome back. And most people get pixelated videos like this, okay, and people get disappointed after watching a lot of YouTube videos and applying the recommended settings only to arrive at the same poor quality videos with OBS. Okay, right, this one I'm going to give a very simple fix to this issue once and for all. Right, so let's get into OBS. So once I here, click on settings. Right, so click on video. Alright, so once you're here, you must understand that the main issue that results into blurry quality videos with OBS lies on the resolution settings. Okay, right, a simple trick to prevent recording blurry quality videos with OBS here is that you must make sure that your base camera resolution must be the same thing as the output scale resolution. Okay, alright, so if you check from here, you can see that my base camera resolution is 1280 by 800. Okay, and my output scale is not matching with that of the base camera resolution, and that will result in blurry quality videos. Okay, so to simply correct that, I'll come here and scale it to 1280 by 800. Okay, right, so I haven't done with this. Just come here and click on apply. Okay, click on OK, and that is how you fix the blurry quality videos in your OBS recording. Okay, alright, so guys, good luck and hope this video fix your blurry quality videos with OBS. Okay, I'd like to meet you the next time right in the same channel. Goodbye.